Hey guys, welcome back to Just Spoonful. Sorry for not posting last week. It was a bit of a hectic week, and then I had also King's Day and King's Night in the Netherlands, so it kind of stumbled upon my upload schedule. But no worries for that. This week is going to be interesting because recently I have tried a vegan shawarma. I was blown away. I was thinking, can I somehow make something similar at home? And that's what this episode is going to be about. Let's get to it. When I filmed it was a couple days ago, but when you can see it was almost like a week ago now, I think. I went to this place called Vegan Junk Food Bar and tried their sort of like shawarma dish, but the thing was all vegan. I was eating that and I was like, how the hell is this freaking possible? Like, went home, I was like, you know what? I think I need to make an episode about that. So, I'm not gonna do completely vegan recipe because I'm still gonna have cheese, I'm still gonna have yogurt. But if you want to go completely vegan, then you just have to substitute the cheese with the cheese vegan substitute, and the same thing goes for vegan yogurt. So let's get cooking. After some testing, I discovered what I need to do is just to start tearing apart the skins from the Portobello mushrooms and then slice it and break it in pieces. Then you're gonna have sort of a marinate them in a way. So the spice mix I went for was paprika, cumin, mustard seeds, soy sauce and olive oil, and a bit of black pepper. Mix it well, and then what you have to do is get your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, put a parchment paper on a tray, spread out the mushrooms so they are not on top of each other because they're gonna be steaming and you don't want that, you want them to have been roasting, because when they're roasting that's where the flavor comes in. So then chuck them in the oven for roughly 15 minutes. What you have to do next is to prep your other veggies. So what I suggest you to do first is to grate some cucumber, put some salt with the grated cucumber and leave it aside so that all the extra moisture comes out. Grate some carrots, slice your onions, slice your jalapenos, prepare your tomatoes. And last but not the least is to prepare your pomegranate. What you do is just cut it in half, take a spoon and start bashing in the back of it. And you'll see how the seeds are going to start popping out. Take your cucumber, squeeze all the unnecessary liquid you have there. Then you add your Greek yogurt, so it becomes sort of a tzatziki in a way. Add your black pepper, taste it, see if you need any extra salt. After you put your yogurt in, check it what you need to add something more. If it's all good, so then it comes to building up your wrap. So I like to usually put some cheese first, then some veggies, then my little tzatziki, then the mushrooms itself, then arugula, pomegranate seeds, and some hot sauce. Look at all these colors, look at all this amazement. I don't even care there's no meat there, it just looks good by itself. There's no right way of eating this little guy. Oh, he's not little at all. Just put it in your gob and savor it. I'm just happy now. And then to them, amazeballs. This recipe is just the bomb, guys. You see how many veggies there are inside? There's tomatoes, onions, carrots, cucumber, arugula, mushrooms, pomegranate. I mean, it's just like a health bomb here. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop praising. I'm gonna ask you now to go and do it yourself, guys. And if you're a meat eater, this is an amazing recipe to just put in your mouth. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button. Subscribe to see more of these videos in the future. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!